Hey people, it's Rickaquaog here and welcome to another video. Today we have here the Samsung Q60a and this is the 75 inches in all its glory. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to share with you my first impressions in terms of design, most importantly quality of the display, and some other thoughts concerning the Samsung Q60a. Let's get to the video. Okay, so straight up you can tell the 75 inches is a massive display, one that would definitely require an extra hand to set up for usage, and so that is exactly what I did. I got my bro to help me out with the unboxing experience and also setting this up. And one thing I realized and liked about this was how the stands were fixed. No screws or screwdrivers needed here. You just slide this in and you're good to go. It's also adjustable, which is really cool. That means you can actually place your sound bar or speakers beneath the display. Dope. And when you set this up, this is really massive but feels really steady on these stands. A bit about the design. The Q60a screams minimalism, very small bezels all around with some very thin profile too. If you decide to mount this on the wall, this is going to look really cool. At the back, this comes with a brushed plastic feel and feels really premium. Now let's talk about the display. I feel that's where the magic is. This of course is a 4K UHD panel at 75 inches. I might not be stressing this enough, but this is huge. This makes my 55 inches feel like a toy, to be honest. That's actually sad. The first thing I decided to check out when I set this up was the dual LED technology. And this is so obvious. The panel is really impressive, colors are vibrant and contrast, and from all angles too. I know most people will be watching their TV head on, but I wanted to see what this looks like when you're watching it from the side, because we might not always get the good seats when watching the TV. And from the angle you're watching from, you can see it's really clear. The colors don't look washed out, which is really good. The dual LED technology here is making the panel a really good one. Now, those Netflix and chill nights are actually going to be next level. When viewing this in dark room, that is where I personally appreciated the darks really well. You can't really tell from the bezels in the screen, that is the screen's dark are really dark. It looks really good. And even in bright situations, this does a really good job. Reflections, you can see reflections, but it's not so bad on this panel. Yes, this comes with a really cute remote, but I personally found myself using the SmartThings remote as I feel like this comes with some more features, but we're actually going to talk about in some future videos, so stay tuned. For I/O and ports, this comes with 3 HDMI ports at the back, 2 USB cables, a LAN port, IP control support, optical audio outputs, and a lot more. Like I said, I'm not going to bore you with technical specifications and all. I'm going to share with you my personal experience using this panel on a day-to-day. And I must say, my movie nights haven't been the same. Gaming on this massive 75 inches has been a really amazing one. And like, I don't actually see myself going back to anything smaller than this. And the panel too has been amazing. The colors are really vibrant and crisp, especially in the black regions. The local dimming is actually good on this device. The angles are actually good too. Before I forget, the sound that comes from this guy, I think that is actually expected. This is a massive 75 inches and the speakers don't disappoint too. It's not going to be better than a dedicated sound system, but if this is all you got, you're not going to be complaining about it. So this is my first impressions video on the Samsung Q60a. This is actually an upgrade to the Q60T from 2020. In the coming weeks, I'm going to share with you more features about this TV. Stick around. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section as I'm going to help you sort it out. Thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you in another video. Peace. I'm out.